Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's a beautiful day, it's sunny, and I thought it'd be a great time to give you guys an update of my Mustang. I've had it for about 4 months now. It's been awesome, through lots of great conversations with, some friends, family, random strangers at the gas station, you name it. It's been fun, and just the drive is amazing. So just that that moment right there, it gets you every time. So definitely kudos with that. But unfortunately, when I did pick up the Mustang, there was a few defects. I had the defect on the dash, which, all led to the whole navigation issues. Link above up there. There was a couple things with the glass. No worries, it got fixed relatively quick, so it was good with that. But there was also a couple overspray marks of the clear coat on the hood of the car. Not to worry, Ford's basically coming to the rescue. They're going to fix it, which is awesome. So it's going into a shop later today, and they're going to do that, just do some minor paint corrections and something really special at the end of the day. So we're going to go for a drive, and at that point, we'll see. We'll go from there. Guys, so we're heading off to Stone Shield Shop, and we'll be there about 2 minutes. See you soon. So we're about to roll in here, and it's gonna be pretty epic. So the Mustang's been in the shop for the last few days. It went in for a paint correction. It went in for a few rock chips. There was the clear coat issue direct from the factory. And the special surprise is that it's getting a ceramic coat. I've seen the photos and it looks amazing. And you guys have seen the photos as well from the community post. So we're gonna go check it out, see how it looks in person, and try and capture it in its finest. But I'm pretty stoked. It looks amazing, and I'm excited to see it. So we'll be there in a minute. Are you doing the thank you thing? On the yellow. It's on film too.
It's not. It wasn't a yellow like you drive.
Right. So we're pulling into Stone Speed Shop, and we're almost there. So we'll see if the ride's out there. I don't know.
I was gonna drop you off and run.
You're on the phone.
Oh, is that it? Just kidding, it's not.
That's not it. Hey guys, we just picked up the Mustang, and man, she's a beaut. She looks amazing. That clear coat and that ceramic coating to it, just fine. So why would you do a ceramic coating? Well, a ceramic coating is basically that extra layer of protection on top of your clear coat from the factory. And prior to that, you do a paint correction. Basically, your clear coat and your finishing's got, kind of all those swirly, the scratches. So basically a paint correction just cleans it right up, flattens it up, and then the ceramic coating comes on top as just that extra layer of protection. And a ceramic coating lasts around 2 to 5, 7 years, depends how you take care of it. And that's why weekly maintenance washes are so important. And two, with the ceramic coating, the dirt has a hard time sticking to it. And again, once you wash it and clean it, it's just gonna, like I said, it's gonna come off 1,000 times easier versus if it just rolled out of the factory. So that's a big thing. And of course, the other real cool factor is a ceramic coating is very hydrophobic. And what that means is the water just beads and gets off. It finds its quickest way to basically repel off of that. And that's what it is. But let's do some action shots here. And there she is. Let's go. All right, we're at stop number 2. of the murals and showing off the beauty Mustang and how the ceramic coating really just pops. One cool thing about this town that I live in is they have murals everywhere. There's anywhere from 30 to 40 all throughout the downtown core, and it's really cool. And a huge shout out to all the artists that have taken part in this. The work is incredible. My personal favorite is the whale one that you guys saw in my first video of the introduction to the Mustang, which can be seen up here in the link above. But yeah, there's some, like I said, it's phenomenal. So let's get into some more action shots and go from there. Alright, so this is the third and the final mural we're going to check out. So again, if you guys haven't liked and subscribed, check it below. Much appreciated. The support from you guys has been truly awesome. So, but we're going to finish up with just our last little shot. In the meantime, drive safe and check out the next one.
Ridiculous driving around with this stupid thing, and I'm driving.
That's how we do this.
It's
shot
you
down.
drive worse than I do.
You are a crazy driver with all this bumping and bouncing.
It's not me. I'm not doing anything.